Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? This is a little midweek adventure for Cindy and I. I don't have my microphone hooked up, so I want you guys to be able to hear this, and it's getting dark quite quickly right now. This lake, I forget the name, I'm going to put it in on the video, if I do make a video and show this. And I just had my drone up and flew down the end of this and back, and you want to see the most beautiful, beautiful place. What you can see from the ground here is only about a third of the actual length of the lake, and I think they call it Long Lake, but I'm not sure if that's the name. But what an absolutely beautiful place. Hanging out here, the lighting is not good. We're handy Grand Bay, very handy for our actual house right now. So we're only about a 10-minute drive away from home. We took the ATV, got it out for a little cruise. And come out here, we're just going to kick back, have a fire, sit here a couple hours and just enjoy the evening. So what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening. It's like still 18 degrees out here right now. So pretty crazy. Gotta love it.
You're very odd looking. You got a red face.
Okay.
Okay. But try the other side of the fire.
I don't know if you guys can see me or not. It's probably getting pretty dark, and I'm using a GoPro right now, so I'm going to have to probably shut this video down in a bit. I was only going to make a quick one anyway and just kind of show you an evening through the week out on the wheeler. Like Hallie brute force. Anyways, we can hear a hawk down the lake right now, and it sounds so amazingly cool because there's a hawk down there. You can hear the piercing scream that they make. I wish I had the microphone. I don't have my microphone even tonight. We just come here to hang out for a while. Enjoy an absolutely beautiful evening. Anyways, this could be the end of the video. If it is, live simply, remain grateful, guys. Great to be alive.